Hello viewer, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so that you can receive all the updates from my channel. Let's move straight to the video. So right now we are going to talk about how to edit a video using your phone. First of all, I take this opportunity to thank all the viewers, you people who support me. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Those people who come here and go on and subscribe, like my video and comment. I'm going to start giving out gifts to some of those people. I pick randomly the person who has commented and liked the video, then I give a gift. So let's move on with this video. So first of all, you move to your Play Store, look under your apps and look for the Play Store. After going on the Play Store, you search for the app called InShot. After you search it, download it and install it. For the case of time, let's move to that app. After you have installed it, look for it. So after you open it, this is the first interface. First of all, you place on under video if you want to edit videos, if you want to edit a photo. For our case, we are going to go for the videos because we want to edit any video. We want to edit a video. So after placing, you place on video, then here's where they will show you your previous projects here, the previous projects you have been making. So we are going to go for the new one. So after that, you will select under video here. If you want to make a slideshow, you can go under photos, but I want to edit a video, so I will go under videos here. Then I will look for that video. My video is under screen record. This is the video here. So after selecting it, maybe there are a lot of videos, but if you have only one video, you press that video there, then you press this tick here, this button here, then this is the video. So maybe if you want to edit any video, if you want to edit a video of a phone, you can stand this layout here. But I might want maybe a video of a TV, maybe of a YouTube channel. So we are going to look through these buttons here, all of them. I'm going to take you through how they are all used. So first of all here, if you want the sizes of the screen, they are under Canva here, the first button here. So under Canva, you will see different layouts, different sizes of the screen. You can press, this one is of Instagram, even this one here. This one is of YouTube. This one is of TikTok. This one and many others are here. So I'm going to go with the one of YouTube. That is the size of YouTube. So after that, you will tick here. If you want to zoom in, you can press this one here. You can adjust from here. I'm going to zoom in and hide those home button and what and up there. So after that, I will press tick. I will tick it. After that, you can first plan, you see. So we're going to talk about, first of all here, we are going to go under the music button now. If I want to add music here, before that, I might want to add my photo at the beginning of that video. I just have to press plus here and I go to photos. After pressing on the photo, you press plus. That is the photo I want at the beginning of my what. So if I want to cut it, to adjust, you just press this button here and adjust where I want it to start from. So after adding that, then I will try to plan and see how it works. I don't want it to delay, so I will adjust to 1 second. So after that, I'm going to go on the music button. The music button helps you to adjust the sound of that video. So if I want to change the sound of that video, I'll just press that video because it has an audio, and I will adjust here. You're going to talk about, are you seeing? I increase, I decrease. After that I press the tick. If I want to add maybe a song in that video, I will just press here on tracks. Then I look for my music because the audio I want is in my phone. If I want the featured one, I can select on these ones, but I want the one from my music. This is it. After that you press use. Then after that you can adjust where you want it to start from. So I'm going to look for where I want that song to start from. So first of all, so I want it to start from here. So if I want to cut the first one, I press it and press split here, this button here, and I hold the one I want to remove. I hold it, then I press the delete button here, this button, then it will be deleted. Then I will hold this one and take it to the beginning of this video. Just move, use your fingers, then I can play and see if it's perfect. Then if I listen, the voice of the music is overtaking the voice of the tutorial. If you want to change the volume, I will just press that what and press the volume button, then decrease. Then after decreasing, I press OK. Then that you're going to talk about. Then that is it. So another thing here, after inserting the music and you're done with that, then I can press this one and I duplicate it so that it comes even this side. Are you seeing? I press, I duplicate. After that, after adding the music, you press the tick icon here. Then after that you press and see. Then it's nice. If I want to add maybe a sticker, I will just press here. I want that sticker, I want it here. Then I press tick. If I want it to be on the full tutorial, I press it, I press here, press clip end, so that it's up to the last word, to the end of the tutorial. If I want to add another sticker, I press here again. Maybe if I want to edit that sticker, maybe I want transparency, you press it here. After pressing it, selecting it, you press edit. Then you can add transitions. You can add a transition. Press it, go to edit. I want this transition here. So after that, if I press the transition, you can look through which transition you want. After that, you press tick. I can even adjust it. I use this button here to adjust. So if I play it, you're going to talk about, that is the transition. Another thing here, if I want to add text, I will press the text button. I add Josh Morgan text. I give it a color. You can change even the text type. I want this one here. You can even adjust using the same button here. You adjust where you want it to go. You can even change its color. You press this button here, you change the color. You want white, then you press tick. Then if I want up to the end of the tutorial, you press here, press clip end. Then that's it. So after that you press tick. Another thing is adding the text. Adding text is the same thing. Another thing, the filters of this tutorial. If I want to change the filters, just have to press the video. I want to change the filter, then I press filter, then I look under the filters. If I want maybe to change the brightness or the what, I just have to press this one and I look for the effects I want here, the shadow, everything. So after that I press tick. If I want to the speed of the clip, I press maybe from here up to here, I split, then I select the one I want to change the speed. I press. After pressing that, then I look for the speed button. Where is it? Here. It is here. Then I change the speed. Maybe I want it times 2. Let me play it. And have you heard the speed? That's the speed of the what? Clip. So another thing here, I may want to pre-cut. Pre-cut means maybe when I press this video here and I say pre-cut, I can change. I can adjust where I want it to start from, where I want it to end, anything here you can adjust. After that you press yes. Then after that I want to the delete button. I have already told you, press that thing you want to delete and you press delete. Then the background, if I press the background here, you can see, you can select which background you want, maybe of pattern, maybe of gradient. If you have done something and you want to go back, you press this button here. Have you seen? That's it with that. The speed I've already told you. To crop, if I want to crop something here, maybe I want to crop this clip here, you press it and you press crop. Then are you seeing here is where you adjust from. Then after that you press yes, you adjust as usual, as if you are adjusting an image. The volume is the same. When I want to change the volume of a clip, I press it, I press volume, then I increase. If I want to rotate a clip, I press it, I press rotate, then it will get rotate. Are you seeing? It is rotating. Flip is, are you seeing? As you see, flipping is that effect there. Freezing is that when this clip is, whenever I press it and press the video, it will freeze when it reaches there. Let me show you here. So here if I play, I see it is freezing, nothing is moving. That is the freeze icon. So after I've done that, you can even remove you want to remove maybe this from here up to here, you just press there, you split, it splits from where the line is. Then even here you split, even there you split. Then if I want to edit and remove this, I will just press it and press delete. Are you seeing? It has removed it automatically. So if I want a transition, maybe I just press that video there, maybe here, then I look for the transitions. Are you seeing this icon here? This is the transition. So when I play,
first of all,
are you seeing how that video has entered? That is the transition I mean. So after you have finished all of it, you press save, then you press save again, then you select which quality do you want your video to be. I will select this quality here, the first one. This is the quality I want. So after selecting it, it will start converting the video. So after it has finished to 100, then it's saved in our phone, so we can look through the gallery and see whether that video is there. This is the video. This is the video that we have just, that is the video I've just edited. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so that you can receive all the updates from this channel. If you have any challenge about the topic I've been talking about, let me know in the comment section. Scroll down and comment about the topic. If you have received any challenge, I can help. I will have to reply to your comment. Thank you.